Hey guys, today our topic is patterns. Actually, patterns is one of the important topic and many exams patterns are one of the important topics. So, today our topic is patterns. So, once you watch this video, you can able to do any kind of patterns by its your own. So, generally we seen many patterns. There are in screen we seen many patterns like half pyramid, inverted half pyramid, halo inverted half pyramid. So not only these patterns, there is a number of patterns available in nature. So we can create any kind of pattern by its own. So how to do this? So okay, first of all, do this I try to do this pattern. This is half pyramid or otherwise right angle triangle pattern. So I will try to do this pattern, then you can understand it's very easy. So let's try to do this. Actually, generally, we can write two for loops. What is for, one is for rows actually. Yeah. So there is two rows. We can write two for loops. What is one is for rows, one is for rows, and another one is columns. We can write two for loops. So firstly I want to write right angle triangle pattern. So it is right angle triangle. In this we need to understand how it formed. For example, this right angle triangle pattern, there is one star, there is one star in first row, there is two stars in second row, there is three stars in third row, there is four stars in fourth row, there is five stars in five. If you give five, then it needs to print in that way. So let's see once again. So there is one star in first row, there is second row two stars, third row three stars, fourth row four stars. So in that way it works. So we write two for loops, one is for rows and another one is columns. So actually I do in different manner. So I write one method for column string. The method name is mul. It means it multiplies and it takes one integer. So in it takes one integer. So it is a empty string. So it prints it return to a string value, and I write one for loop. So it is for columns. So I am writing. So in that here s equals to s plus star. So it needs to return string value. Yeah, here I write one small method. So it takes one integer value and return one string value. So for let's try to do this. So i'm giving I'm giving 5. So what it returns, so the method name is mul, so I'm giving mul. So I try to run this. Yeah, sorry, it is 8. Yeah, let's see. If I give 5, if I give 5, it prints 5 stars. If I give 1, it give 1 star. If I write 9, it gives 9 stars. So it is okay. Next, we need to take input from the user, right? So user will give the input. So for that I am writing scanner object. I am writing. So it is error, showing error. I am importing scanner object. I'm importing scanner package. Yeah. So I'm taking input from the user. So for that, int n equals to sc dot next. Yeah, I got the input from the user. That may be 5, 10, 20, whatever it may be. So the user gives the input. So I need to print the pattern. For that, I write already for loop for the columns. Now I write the for loop for the rows. For int I equals to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. So actually, okay, it starts from 1. I equals to 1, then r equals to, yeah. Okay, I write for loop for the rows. So here I equals to 1. For example, I value is 5. So so for example, if the I value is 5, then the row then the for loop iterates 5 times. So in that way it works. So every time I need to call this method, then it works. For example, mul, yeah, it works. So here in the first time I value is 1. So mul 1 means it prints 1 star. Then I value is 2. Then I value is 2. 2 means it prints 2 stars. Means 1 star, then 2 stars, then 3 stars, then 4 stars, then 5 stars. Let's try to do this. We need to take the input from the user, right? So I write enter the enter the uh, enter the rows. Okay, enter the rows. Yeah. So I need to take the values from the user. So I write this. Let's try to run this. Yeah, I run it. So it asking the values, enter the value. So I want on 10 rows, so I'm giving 10. So yeah, we get the output, right? So we get the output. So we get the output. Let's I give next time I give 50. I'm giving 15. So it gives a big pyramid, a big right angle pyramid. Yeah, it is very easy. So I'm writing one method. It is for columns. So whenever the give the number, it return that much of stars. For example, I want pattern in ashes, so we can change ash here. So that, yeah, we change ash here. Let's try to run it. So I'm giving 5, sorry, I'm giving 5. Yeah, yeah, that is very easy to learn how to make a complete triangle. Okay, thank you, and please subscribe and share to your friends who are trying to learn the coding, and thank you.